it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Welcome back to another tutorial, and you are in for a treat because you're so lucky, and don't be green with envy, and Lucky Charms. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. It's St. Patrick's Day coming up. I have a lovely, wonderful neighbor right. I can see her house from my window. Well, that would be a neighbor, right? But lovely, lovely soul who is obsessed with St. Patrick's Day. A funny little story. I'm obsessed with Halloween. I go over the top sometimes with my decorations, and she always teases me because St. Patrick's Day is the best holiday in her mind. For me, it's Halloween. Like, I don't think there's any competing whatsoever, but we can all love holidays equally, right? So today I'm gonna make her a lovely little lucky St. Patrick's Day arrangement just for her, but also for you to watch and hang out with me. It's a lot of green. It's gonna be so lovely. And the vase I have is over here, and it's freaking adorable. Fun fact, it was way up on the top. I have a rainbow of like random vases and things up top on my shelves, and I totally forgot about this one until the other day. I was looking up and I went, oh my gosh, I need to make a St. Patty's Day arrangement with that. So that's what we're gonna do. Join me, will you? Let's jump into it, okay? Let's talk about supplies, shall we? First up, how freaking cute is this? I got this, I don't know how long ago. It was a random either thrift store or estate sale type find. They aren't 4-leaf clovers though. I don't know if that matters, but it's just the cutest little vase. So we're gonna use that as our vase. For the flowers, we have a mix of this light green dyed, I believe these are all Lovelies. I'm pretty sure. I'll double check that. Lovely flowers, and then I also grabbed 5 of them that are from the mini mix. So these I don't think you can get on your own. They're only in the mini mix. These you can get on your own. We've got a smorgasbord of like random bits and bobs. So this hops we had a couple years ago. We don't have it anymore, and at some point I wired it. Oh, it was a mix. So it was like these hops and these little green leaves. I strung them up at some point. I found them in my stash, so we're gonna use those. So we have some green, more green coming in. Then I have, these are a vintage find. They're like plastic flowers from Japan, from probably the 50s or 60s. Also from my stash. I don't think I'm gonna use all of these, but they're just, I love them so much. I hope she loves them too. And then we've got our seeded eucalyptus. This you can find in the shop at ohyourlovely.com. We're not gonna use all of this, but I just thought God kind of gave me a shamrocky vibe, and then the little seeds, faux seeds in there is just perfect for this project. So that is everything, I think, unless we get through it and I'm like, I need to add something else, but I think that's enough stuff for this tiny little shoe that we're gonna fill. So let's do this. So I did forcefully put some floral foam in there. I just shoved it in there, so it's not going anywhere. But I did notice you can kind of see it kind of peeking around. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of moss. I'm not going to pin this in just because all of the wires and the foam or the wires from all the filler and the flowers is gonna hold this in place. So we don't need to do anything more with that. We're gonna start with Greenery first. And these do slide. So we're gonna definitely slide some of those. You might not need to slide them quite as high as I did, but I'm going for the shorter stems for right now. It's kind of a mix. Look how cute this is. I'm just gonna slide those all up. This one I'm gonna bring down a little bit. I'm also gonna kind of twist them around so that the leaves are nicely spaced. And then yeah, we're definitely gonna shorten these up. gonna keep that one a little bit longer so we get a little bit of height on this. This is what the back is. So there's a little blank space in the back, but I think, well, let's fill it in. Normally I'd be like, we'll just add a flower in that spot, but let's fill it in, shall we? Okay. That's all the filler we need for this guy. And I'm gonna make that one go pretty low, so barely gonna have any. Okay, so now there's the back. Nice little, oh, he's so cute. A little boot. All right, so I only have 2 of these, but there's actually 3 of the little hopsies, which is, I like to do things in 3s. I think you guys know that already. Except for, that kind of stands up a little bit taller than I anticipated. You know what we're gonna do? At one point, I must have needed these for a bouquet, and so I needed some length on them. I am just going to unwrap it. And I think we might even stem up. Come apart. Sometimes this is easy and sometimes it's not. I don't even know if you saw me struggle on the camera or not. So I wasn't paying attention. Just like get this tape off. Okay. We can struggle. That's what we can do. We can slide that one on there and slide this one on here. And then I'm gonna clip this little guy. That one I think is good. This one, it was a little low, so we're gonna individually stem this guy up. So I'm just taking part of the wire that I had clipped. I'm gonna add, I have some glue left over from stemming the flowers earlier. Just slide that in. Now we have another piece of filler. I also have this one. All right, much better. Let's see how this one does. Yeah, much better. Okay, and then this little guy, we'll just bring him over there. Perfect. Now for the faux flowers, debating, I've got this like really decently long one. Maybe we'll put that up. Yeah, I like that. We're gonna make like an X. So we got that, and then we're gonna go across here as well. And so now we've got triangles galore. And you all know I love the triangle moment. Okay, we just gotta adjust those hops a little bit. They're moving around. I kind of like that standing up. That's so cute. I say that and I'm like, is that a little too high though? Might be. We'll make that final decision once we, ooh, the wires move. There we go. We'll just bend that a little bit to our will. Okay, let's get the green flowers in, because I really, now I'm debating. There's this little, hold on. Oh, I think I like that better. And then I kind of got this little tail going on over on this side, so I think maybe we'll trail. So there's that. Now we're gonna add in our green flowers next. And why did I even close my clippers? Because girl's gonna need to clip them. All right, so there's one. We're gonna do kind of the same thing as far as the placement. We're gonna do the start of some triangles in the front. And then we've got 2 that'll go on the back, if you will, of this. Oh, that's cute. I didn't realize just how close the hops color and these flowers were. Why? I don't know, but I didn't. So with that in mind, I might move this hops maybe to this side. I might, I haven't decided. Final bit, the tiny little lovelies. I popped one in the front, like right in the middle. I've got so much stuff in here, I'm starting to bump into other things. Break up some of that. Oh my gosh, does this not spring, like scream spring too? Along with it being such a cute little St. Patty's Day arrangement. Oh my gosh, you guys. There we go! Look at how cute it turned out! So, my daughter refers to our next door neighbor as her BFF. They have the cutest like relationship. It's kind of like a, oh, she'll kill me if I say grandma, but more like a great aunt to great niece kind of relationship. They spend so much time together out in the gardens during the summer, which we're so like chomping at the bit for spring to get here so we can start playing outside, because winter in Wisconsin can be pretty brutal. I know the last tutorial I complained about the snow, and we're gonna get dumped again with a whole bunch of snow in the next 24 to 48 hours. So that's lovely for us. But anyway, my daughter absolutely loves our next door neighbor. They have a very close relationship. She does refer to her as her BFF. So I will walk her over with on St. Patrick's Day and deliver this to our lovely neighbor. So if you guys loved this tutorial, please give it a like, leave a comment down below. Do you have, it warms my heart, the relationship they have. And I just love to see like young kids have a relationship with another generation as far as, yeah, it's so adorable. And plus my family is a couple hours away, so she doesn't get to spend as much time with her grandparents as she would like. So it's a nice little step in kind of dynamic in there as well. She gets to spend a lot of time with her neighbor, which is lovely. Anyway, that was a ramble. Let's wrap this up, shall we? So you can go about your day, and I'll wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day as well. I'm not wearing, oh, I've got green. I've got green. I'm not Irish, but I got green on. Okay. If you're loving this channel, can't get enough, want to know the next time we post a video, which is typically on Wednesdays, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to find out about the 150 style Sola wood flowers along with craft supplies in Greenery. Go to oohyou'relovely.com. But before you go check it out, let me give you something to sweeten the deal, so to speak. It's your lucky day. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. All right, you guys, I will see you next week for another tutorial. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.